Captain Clue, you have yet to tell us. What exactly does the sea dog look like?
Her anatomy is actually similar to that of a mermaid. The top part of her body is a dog, but the bottom part of her is fish. I believe her tail was aquamarine.
Yeah, I think it was. At least from what I could see behind the wheel.
Her fur is brown, and I believe she has seaweed hair, I think?
Actually, I thought it was kelp, Captain. No, I think it was seaweed. Either way, everybody. Either way, she's got green hair, possibly made from the depths of the ocean.
Okay, so now we got a good description. Keep your eyes peeled, every pony. We don't want that sea dog catching us off guard for the second time in one day.
Aye, aye, Captain!
So, where do you think the sword of Barracuda sword shall be? Not sure. It doesn't look like a relatively large island. What color is the sword of Barracuda? The Barracuda sword is golden, and it looks like the sword itself is made of super sharp, jagged golden teeth. Oh! You mean like that one over there? Oh, that's it! That's the Barracuda sword! Well then, let's go get it, me hearties! Arr! 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 Chomp, chomp, chomp. Oh, hold on a minute, me hearties. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Do you hear that?
Yeah, it sounds like teeth gnashing and chomping and stuff.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Alligators! Arr! Are you alright?
We're fine, Captain! But the Barracuda sword is guarded by baby gators!
Baby gators? Have their teeth even grown in yet? Chomp. Trust me, they've grown in already.
Arr! How are we going to get the Barracuda sword if it's guarded by baby gators?
Arr! I got it. We'll create a distraction. Aye! Then one of us can go for the Barracuda sword. But who's going to do it?
Ahem. Mateys. You forget. Magical horn. Hello! Unicorn! I just gotta get close enough to the banana tree to get the Barracuda sword down.
Arr! I think they're going after the Barracuda sword! Arr! They see how shiny it is. They must think it's food! Arr! I'm afraid Izzy won't be able to get close enough to the tree with all them crocodilies close to it.
Arr! Much too snappy.
I got an idea! What if you put your plans together? Arr! Work together? With our pirate nemesis? Captain, it might be the only way to get the Barracuda sword. Mateys, you up for it?
Well, does any pony else have another idea?
I'm fresh out. As am I. Alright, here's the new plan. Shauna and I will distract the baby crocodiles. Then Miss Izzy, you head over to the banana tree and float that Barracuda sword down. When you've got it, we'll make way for the ship as fast as we can. Arr! 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 Hey, crocodiles! Over here! Arr! Arr! On guard, you old crocodile! Arr! Over here, TikTok! Yes, over here! That's it! Over this way! Yes! 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 I got it! Come on! Oh, let's go, Zip! In a row, crocodiles! Ah! The Barracuda sword! Sploosh! Sploosh! Woo! Arg! The sea dog strikes again! She took the Barracuda sword! Chomp, 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 chomp. And the crocodiles are coming back!
You don't have to tell me twice, Captain Clue!
Jump, 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 jump. Arr! Foul play at the paws of that sea dog! We had the barracuda sword in our hooves, and the sea dog just swiped it!
What do we do, Captain Hitch?
Well, there's only one thing we can do. We've got to go get them back.
Them, Captain Hitch?
The enchanted oar and the barracuda sword.
But Captain Hitch, the sea dog has both of them!
Captain Clue, as a sea captain, it is my duty to find treasure, to help those who need it, and to never break my word. Now, I gave you my word that I would help you and your crew find a new ship so that ye may sail again, regardless that we're nemesis. Now, I am a pirate of my word, and I don't intend for that word to be broken now because a sea dog intends to steal everything we try to get, or whatever her intentions might be. We're pirates. When the waves get rough, we get tougher. Arr!
Arr! Arr!
And I believe I now have an idea of how we can both get both items back.
And how are we to do that, Captain Hitch?
We form an alliance.
You mean we become one entire crew?
That, Captain Clue, is precisely what I'm suggesting. But who will captain the crew? Both of us. Captain Clue and myself.
I've never heard of a pirate crew having two captains before.
Well, the world is about to have its first, then. I didn't like the idea of it at first, but when I saw you, Zip, and Izzy working together to defeat the little baby crocs and get the barracuda sword, I saw that divided, the sea dog will be able to take us down. But together, as one crew, the sea dog will be no match for all 6 of us. Arr! 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 So, what do you say, ladies?
Life has been quite different, with no ship to sail on the sea. I think we'd have a better chance if we were one whole crew of mateys. One captain and her 2 mateys, that's how it's always been. But as of this day, the rules might have to take a spin, 'cause the sea dog took down my own ship and our treasure, and now she's taken this sword at her own pleasure.
For reasons that are unknown, the sea dog's been on the attack. If we're to get your ship, then we need to get our treasures back. One crew of mateys, but lately that's been tough for me.
So let's be one crew of mateys and take down the dog of the sea.
So let's become one crew of mateys, or if you agree,
One sees off, it's better to be one crew of mateys.
Let's go get back our treasure. Let's go give us a sea dog! Arr! Alright, crew, we've got ourselves a sea dog to find. First mate Sonny, you're at the wheel.
As always, Captain.
Izzy, Zip, you're our sharpest lookouts. Izzy, head to the starboard side on the top. Zip, port top. We need eyes on both sides of the ship if we're gonna find that sea dog.
Aye, aye, Captain. Aye, aye, Captain. Port side covered, Captain. Starboard side covered, Captain.
Captain Hitch,
Yes, fellow captain?
if we stay in the Bermuda Triangle much longer, it'll be harder for us to get out.
Do you believe the sea dog is still here?
This is where the sea dog usually lurks. The Bermuda Triangle is usually the place that lurks within the mist the most. So generally, if she were to hide the treasure, this is like in the Bermuda Triangle would likely be the best place to hide it in. And it wasn't long since she stole the Bermuda sword, Barracuda sword. Captains, should I sail out of the Bermuda Triangle? No, first mate Sonny. Stay on our course. We must find that sea dog as soon as possible. Then we can worry about getting out of here. Aye, aye, captains.
Shauna, to the plank. We need eyes on front.
Aye, aye, Captain Hitch.
Meanwhile, Captain Clue, come with me. We need a plan to capture the sea dog.
Aye, aye, Captain Hitch. We'll be back, me hearties. Keep a sharp eye out for that sea dog. Aye, aye, captains.
Sploosh, sploosh.
Captains! There she is!
Sploosh, sploosh.
I see her! She's over there! Arg! Sea dog off the starboard side!
Sploosh, sploosh.
She's swimming away!
Come on, first mate Sonny, we have to catch up with her. Full sails!
Full sails, Captain! Woo! We're catching up to the sea dog!
All right, time to deploy our plan. Captain Clue, are you ready?
Arr! We're chasing down the sea dog. It's time to reclaim our treasure.
We're gonna catch the sea dog.
Gonna do it all together.
My first mate Sonny is at the wheel.
Shauna sees a sea dog with the teal tail.
I'm Zippin' Susie, we're up in the crow's nest.
Hey, we're gonna get you good. We're getting our treasure back. We're getting our treasure back. We're chasing down the sea dog, and we're gonna do it together.
We'll catch the sea dog and we'll say,
Give us back our treasure.